Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota Hilux Surf. It has 127,660 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3RZ FE 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. All right, let's take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, as y'all can see, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. This number right here, 205,451, that is the kilometers. The miles on this vehicle, again, is 127,660. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, you are at the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we would be happy to answer them for you. I do want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate you guys. Thank y'all so much and have a blessed and safe day.